promised something else to Wendy. As an African, she had never seen animals from her continent in real life, like lions or big apes. Not like us up north who have all seen the great African beasts at zoos or the circus since childhood. Ridiculous irony, you know? And I promised to fix that.
So me and Wendy, we're going to the zoo, Park Zoological. Where it feels like we're in a jungle.
We started by visiting the reptiles. There's plenty of these in Cabo Verde. People have them as pets. As well, she'd seen turtles, but never a tortoise. They don't even have many lizards there, only geckos. I was told that you can touch some snakes. Wendy was reticent at first, but once again, she surprised me with a pure curiosity.
Wendy, but tu n'as courage de tocar l'autre.
There are some badass snakes in this country, like these vipers. But then came the test of courage for Wendy. Will she wear a boa? Wendy's got courage, all right.
Oh yeah. So here's my take on zoos. You ever read the book Life of Pi? Which I happened to read twice because it was so good. Pi's dad runs a zoo. That's the story where he takes the zoo on a container ship to move it somewhere from Pondicherry to another place, and that's when the boat sinks and Pi ends up in a life raft with a tiger and a orangutan, and if you read the book you know the story. But the point I'm getting to is that his dad, the owner of the zoo, they asked him, well, don't you feel bad for these animals that are in cages? And he had a pretty interesting take on it. He says, well, these animals that are in cages are safe. No one's trying to eat them, no one's trying to kill them. They don't have to go find their food. They're safe. And they get fed. If they're out in the wild, they have to be running for their lives, chasing after food. So which is better? It's kind of like life in general for us. Live on a sailboat, free, but it's dangerous. Live in society, kind of like in jail, and you have everything for you, but you're stuck. Get it? Here's some crocodiles. Wow. They don't seem too upset to be in captivity. Que vou pensar?
Mas ao mesmo tempo não nice. Mas já animal é um bocadinho maltratado, filho.
Vou pensar?
Sim. Porque tem uns às vezes tem uns que tem uns feridos.
Yeah. Então vou pensar que é triste umzinho.
E se parecer triste um bocadinho. Se parecer que isto crescer e que é pistola, mas já à vontade.
Yeah. Então, agora vou gostar do parque zoológico? Mais ou menos, já?
Mais ou menos.
Aham. Vou gostar de chimpanzé.
E ela está tudo viver, meio gordo gadete.
And she's embracing life here to the fullest.
Então, comida da África, Wendy, o que vou dizer?
Só para cagar.
Sempre?
Sempre.
Diferente?
Diferente de sapacaia.
No estilo malagueta?
Nem precisa, ele pelo malagueta, ele pelo picante.
O picante? Ela te dá suficiente arroz?
Yeah.
think I'm gonna have to give a little bit of my rice to Wendy. Me and Wendy have been coming here to eat every day practically. African food, real African food. And it's really good, and Wendy's gotten used to it. And she doesn't need to use malagueta, which is hot sauce, because it's always picante, fort. And there's tons of rice, and she loves the rice. But it's really good, and we got this beautiful view here. Nice people. So yeah, man, CVD is cool. Dakar is wonderful.
Another promise I needed to keep was to find a hairdresser that would care for Wendy. Here, they're great at braiding hair, and it cost a fraction of the price than back home.
Okay, I just left Wendy in the capable hands of a local hairdresser who was referred to as by Anta, who works at CVD at the bar there. Wendy wanted to get some braids here because they're really good at making braids, you know? Really beautiful, and it's much cheaper than in Saint Vicente. While Wendy's getting her hair done, I'm gonna work on a video and someday clean this place up, treat all the water that goes in there, all the crap and poop. This place is gonna be amazing. It already is amazing, but I have faith in the Senegalese. They will fix this place up, and it will be beautiful as the people are here. Man, it's traffic here, man. I just had to go to the bank machine, get some money. I tried 2, didn't work. Finally the third one did. Walk all the way down here and it's all wet, muddy. And plus it's hot as hell. I'm sweating my balls off, man. Yeah. Well, it's all part of the adventure, yeah? And now to boot, I just slipped and fell in a disgusting mud puddle. Oh God. Some days are just like that.
Back at the hair salon I went, after washing the mud and shame off of me, to see how Wendy had transformed.
Tu sais, je suis en YouTube, moi.
Ah bon?
Quoi?
Moi, je ne sais pas bien parler.
Tu sais pas bien parler français, toi tu parles mieux le français?
Oui.
Alors qu'est-ce que vous avez fait à Wendy?
On l'a tressé.
Ouais.
Ouais, on l'a tressé. On a bien pris soin d'elle.
Vous avez pris, ça a pris combien de temps pour faire tout ça?
On a commencé depuis 11h.
11 heures. Et il est quelle heure maintenant?
Il est 18h.
18 heures, donc vous avez fait 7 heures de travail.
Ouais, 7 heures de travail.
Waouh.
Et ça vaut le prix. C'est bien long.
C'est bien long, regarde ça.
Allez, au revoir.
Au revoir, au revoir.
What can I say? I'm surrounded by beauty. A different take on this place. No mention of negativity in this video, well, except for a slip in the mud.
Beautiful sunset over Dakar, Senegal. With beautiful Wendy.
And there's more good vibes.
Merci mon chauffeur aujourd'hui.
I had ordered 2 parts for Galopin, a stuffing box and a cutlass bearing. We needed those parts before hauling out the boat. And he finally arrived at the post office.
We're here at the post office picking up my parts. Hopefully they're here. With my great friend Arona gave us a ride here. Always an adventure. Let's hope we came to the right post office. They called me yesterday and said my parts are here. Voilà, what's over here? Okay, we got our parts. Thanks to Arona. I paid less for the import customs tax. An extra $25. Thanks to Arona, I only paid 6, 7.
It took 2 weeks to get here from France and cost 30 euros. I don't know why they didn't use DHL or something. Good thing Arona came with me. They wanted to charge me an extra $30 import tax. But Arona got them down to 10. I can't stress enough how important it is to make local friends. To boot, I got a fun ride. Scooters and motorbikes are the way to go here. Traffic is insane, and one must trust local navigators. And I have full trust in Arona.
as usual.
And I made more African friends like Gerard here from South Africa.
It's because of your information, your advice. We meet here in this place. Amazing place, amazing country.
I've been dreaming of maybe never leaving Africa, period. I had this great idea. Why don't you do a circumnavigation the opposite way?
Let's do a circumnavigation of Africa the wrong way.
The wrong way round, there. The wrong way round. Yeah.
The most beautiful countries, West Africa, hardly anybody visits this amazing, amazing continent.
Yeah.
They skip out on so much.
Yeah.
And the people and the
And the food here.
No, absolutely.
Yeah.
And then to continue all the way through and to go and see places like Madagascar, Mozambique, go through the Seychelles, from Seychelles, then go up the Red Sea, and then finish up the whole circumnavigation of
Wow.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.